Thank you, Michael, for your commitment and for bringing us all together. Good morning. My name is Jose Prince. I am the Vice Chair of Surgery for Northwell Health and the Surgeon-in-Chief at Cohen Children's Medical Center. And it is really a tremendous privilege to welcome you all here today for this. What is your name? What is your name? Anyone here who's a first responder, a trauma surgeon, what is your name? It's the first thing we say when someone comes to us, before us. What is your name? What is your name? What is the name that you carry here with you, or the names? Patients, students, friends, family? What is your name? I'll ask us each to start with just a moment of silence for all of those names, each of those individual people and all of us collectively. We're gathered here today in person and virtually to help ensure that gun violence prevention remains on the forefront of our minds as a public health emergency, and to provide a platform for the experts and leaders in this room here and virtually to come together and make progress on preventing gun violence. We'll start the day off by hearing from a cross-sector group of leaders and luminaries, sharing key insights and perspectives on a range of topics, including the role of healthcare in implementation of the Bipartisan Safer Communities Act. Number two, cross-sector collaborations to improve gun violence data. And finally, unraveling the distinct drivers of the gun violence epidemic. In between, we'll make time to participate in networking, roundtables, and breakout conversations, along with one-to-one video meetings for those who joined virtually, to dive deeper into these themes and to think about actionable solutions and approaches. Finally, we'll spend some time today looking back at where we've been and forward to where we're going. As our keynote speaker, President Bill Clinton, will help us reflect on the 30th anniversary of the passing of the Brady Bill, the years of hard work and progress that has ensued, and the most urgent needs for our focus going forward. Beyond this esteemed group of leaders in the room, we have, as you heard from Mr. Dowling, over 2,000 individuals tuned in virtually. And we have a lot to cover. So without wasting any more time, I'd like to start off with our first panel. And I'm very pleased to welcome our first speaker, a trailblazer on this issue in Congress, who will join us virtually from Washington, D.C. to share his perspectives on some of the progress we've made towards a brighter future. So without more ado, here's Senator Chris Murphy.